My name's George Rose and I'm from Melbourne, Australia, and I'm a mural artist. So normally when I paint large buildings and big murals. My work is usually very bold, very graphic. There's a lot of gradients in it. I quite often like to mix either endemic botanicals or I'll source materials from the area and I'll mix those with mark making or geographical references.
Nama saya Tutu, saya dari Jakarta, Indonesia. Saya seorang artis. Dalam berkarya saya mengalami beberapa fase. Saya mulai dari graffiti, street art. Saya sangat minat sekali gambar figuratif, kemudian geometrical dengan warna yang vibrant.
So for the 75th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Australia and Indonesia, I've been invited over here to collaborate with local artist Tutu. Tutu kind of did an initial design and then I kind of references the colour palettes from his and brought them into mine so that they both talk to each other. So for this artwork we've decided to create an arch shape in the middle because both of our artworks use a lot of arch shapes and we like the idea that it represents a portal or a window through. Tutu's work surrounds the arch and then my work is on the middle of the arch.
Saya mewakilkannya secara simbolis, ada dua figur, sebelah kiri memegang tali atau benang gitu, simbolisasi dari relasi atau satu kerjasama yang erat. Kemudian yang sebelah kanan figur yang membawa buku, itu melambangkan kerjasama dalam bidang kebudayaan dan kesenian.
For my section of the artwork, I've included the national botanical symbols from both of the countries. For Indonesia, it's the white jasmine, the moon orchid and the Rafflesia Analdi, and those symbolise diversity, whilst in Australia I've utilised the wattle, which symbolises unity.
Kita sepakat untuk memberikan judul Together karena ini dalam rangka kolaborasi antara Australia dan Indonesia dalam hal kebudayaan, kesenian. Kita bisa saling membuka diri, bisa saling diskusi, saling open-minded. Itu sangat exciting.
It was a really fun experience collaborating with Tutu. It's always really interesting to collaborate with different people when you haven't met them before or when they live in a different country. Yeah, I think the best part has just actually been the exchange in person, actually coming over here and being able to be around each other and talk about art and talk about what the scene is like over here and how that compares to back in Australia. And I'd like to invite you all to come along to the Taman Ismail Marzuki to see the artwork.
Mari datang, ramaikan.